Hi guys, I'm Rich. Let's review my top 5 things to watch for the week ahead in markets. Number 1, US CPI data. The data point on everyone's watch list this week is US consumer price inflation for March. Expectations are for a decline to 5.2% year over year. The upside surprise to data this year, data dramatically affected traders' attitudes towards inflation. One of the results of this has been the colossal upswing in gold to back over $2,000 per ounce. While the annual inflation rate fell in 2023, the decline was slower than forecast. More evidence of sticky inflation should be good news for gold. Number 2, Fed meeting minutes. Wednesday will see the release of the minutes from the latest FOMC meeting, where rates were raised by 25 basis points. The dollar has been struggling ever since because despite the higher inflation reading, the Fed signaled that it's likely close to the end of its rate hike cycle. Should the minutes reveal policymakers were more concerned about troubles in the US banking sector than inflation, the US dollar could have fallen further. Number 3, BOC rate decision. On Wednesday, the Bank of Canada will set interest rates for Canada. The BOC was ahead of its peers when it announced a pause on interest rate hikes in January. But since then, the US dollar-Canadian dollar pair has remained range-bound around 1.35. The central bank has been more focused on business connections, including labour shortages and weakening demand, than on the current level of inflation. An extension of the pause will make it look increasingly like the BOC has finished with rate hike. Number 4, US retail sales data. Retail sales continue to paint a mixed picture of the health of the US consumer and implications for the consumption-based economy. Headline sales fell -0.4% month over month in February, but that came off the back of a hefty 3% monthly rise in January. Any more prolonged signals of weak consumption could hit an already weakened US dollar index, sitting at the cusp of yearly lows. Number 5, UK GDP data. On Thursday, the UK releases GDP data for February. It has been a positive few weeks for the British pound, which has benefited from broader dollar weakness and UK economic data that has generally confounded pessimists. The UK narrowly avoided a quarterly contraction in Q4 of 2022 and is looking set for a second month of growth in Q1 of 2023. Oh, and just lastly, it's worth mentioning that several markets will be closed for the Easter Monday holiday, meaning a potentially slower start to the week. But, of course, you can always click on the link in the description just below to see the full economic calendar with the previous month's data and consensus expectation for this time. But for now, thanks everyone, best of luck trading this week, and remember to give a quick smash of that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss more content like this when it's released.